Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting ROMs and storage ready. Do this now. First, verify your Emuelec build matches the device. Otherwise, emulators won't load. Next, format the target micro SD or USB drive to X4 for stability. Use FAT32 only if necessary. Then, create top-level folders named for each console and drop ROMs using correct file extensions. Avoid compressed archives, because Emuelec reads raw files. Once done, safely eject and label the drive for the next transfer step. You now transfer files onto the running Emuelec system. Plug the prepared drive or connect over SMB, then use the built-in file manager to move ROMs into /storage/ROMs, followed by the exact system folder name. Make sure BIOS files go into /storage/. Config /retroarch or the BIOS folder because many cores demand them. Once files are placed, refresh game lists from the UI, assign or change emulator cores per system, and configure controllers. This step ensures games show up and run. You finish by testing multiple titles and optimizing settings. Boot representative games and observe performance, input mapping, and audio, then tweak core options, video resolution, and shaders to balance speed versus quality. If a title fails to appear, rebuild the game list and clear game list cache. When a game won't run, check ROM integrity, confirm the correct BIOS is present, and ensure the region or header matches the selected core. If problems persist, retransfer the ROM or try a different core. That usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.